Homemade cough syrup. Natural quick relief for colds and coughs. Tired of that persistent cough? Learn how to make your own cough syrup at home. It's simple, effective, and free from artificial additives. Here is how you can make a natural cough syrup at home. Number 1. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Number 2. A pinch of grated ginger. Number 3. 1 cup of water. Number 4. 1 teaspoon of honey. Number 5. 1 pinch of black pepper. Number 6. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it well and take 1–2 tablespoons 2 to 3 times a day.